230, right? So going into open here, we got the support at the VWAP. We've got the high from earlier at the 88s. After that, we've got 234, and then there's even some more. So right now, as long as we stay above the VWAP here at open, I don't see how we don't go up there towards that 230 pivot point. So right now, breaking out. All right, Fresh Cash Friday, baby. I'm trying to get paid here, people. I'm trying to get paid. Fresh Cash Friday. We doing it live right here on the stream every day, 9 a.m. If you guys have it. Well, by the way, next week I will not be live. By the way, next week I will not be live. I got a huge fishing tournament going on. But guess what? The 8-ball. Let me ask the 8-ball really quickly. Will everybody in the chat make money next week because they watch me and they know what to do? Answer is unclear. Well, never mind. I was hoping the 8-ball had more faith in the chat, but the 8-ball does not have any faith in the chat. All right, I'm looking for this 200 break. I think we get through the 200s. This thing's got legs still on it. It is Fresh Cash Friday. And like we said, we had a plan to get up there towards that 220-30 level. If we were closer to that pivot point, maybe I would take profit here, but I think above the 200s, there's still about 30 points to the upside there. So after I fucking lock in this profit, I'm going fishing and I'm going to have a beautiful Friday here. All right, you know how we do. There we go. Look at it. I'm still long from the 55s. I said earlier, get through that 50 area. Who does it like this? Nobody. Nobody. Oh, would you look at that? The plan this morning was very simple. We had the hourly setup. If you look at the hourly chart here, we drew our little yellow line there at the 18,360s. We bounced off the VWAP, the reversal. We had that big sell-off with the news there on Thursday. NFP came out this morning off of the VWAP up there to the 360s. And, well, you can see it played out exactly like we talked about before the move happened right here live on YouTube, 9 a.m. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Let's fucking go, boy.